Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. On the screen, you can see Kofi Annan's picture. Okay. We the Peoples is the chapter from workbook, unit 7, page number 68 to 70. Difficult vocabulary. The very first one is fettered. It's an adjective. To be under someone's control or not free. This is the meaning of it. Fettered means tied somewhere, not free. He raised the fettered ankle. Fettered ankle means tied ankle. Tied means bandha hua, and examined the lock. Anything which is fettered is not free. Boredom. Boredom means I'm bored. Boredom puts fetters upon the imagination. When you are bored, you cannot imagine. Difficult vocabulary. Second number is privileged. Privileged is adjective, having advantages that others do not have. Yes, this is the meaning of it. Sentences. In 19th century, only a privileged few had the vote. Privileged means given some facility that others are not having, okay? He accused me of giving away privileged information. You could be privileged to live in a lighthouse. Difficult vocabulary. Humiliated, verb. Actually, it's an insult. The meaning is insulted. Humiliated means to be made to feel ashamed, insulted. You will be humiliated in front of the whole community. You will be insulted in front of whole community. I've never felt so insulted, so humiliated in my life. If someone is humiliated, they have been made to feel ashamed or stupid. Next word is gate of fire. It's a noun. Great difficulties and untold sufferings. We are on the verge of gate of fire. We are at the end of or the whatever the entry or the exit of the gate of fire, the corner. They have crossed gate of fire and reached their destination. They have finished their great difficulties and untold suffering. Now they have reached their destination. Their life is not easy. It's like they are passing through the gate of fire. Next word is devastated. It's a verb. Destroyed completely. The city was devastated by a huge earthquake, or she was devastated by the loss of her brother, or the invaders. The invaders means who are getting entry into the city without permission. The invaders devastated the city, the attackers. Next word, irrational. It's an adjective, means unreasonable. It can be used for people who are not being reasonable, who do not listen to others. He became irrational as the fever got worse. When his fever was not okay, then he was not listening to others. She had an irrational fear of cat, which is not understandable, obviously. It's totally irrational, but I'm frightened of mice. Or his parents were worried by his increasingly irrational behavior. All these sentences can go for it. Unbounded means uncontrolled. It's an adjective. She showed her unbounded enthusiasm for her subject. Unbounded means uncontrolled. Enthusiasm means very much excitement. The team has an unbounded commitment to excellence. Means uncontrolled commitment was there that they are going to do their best. To his unbounded amazement, the old man could not locate the site of old home. Because of his surprise, sudden surprise, he was surprised, uncontrolled surprise that he could not find his old home. Next word is Cataclysm, that's noun, a sudden disaster or violent event that causes change. We have suffered floods, earthquakes, and other cataclysms together. The country barely survived the cataclysm of war, or the city has just experienced a cataclysmic flood. All these can be written for cataclysm. It definitely is a new word. Forum, a meeting place where people can exchange ideas. It's a noun. Please, it's not form, it's forum, okay? We hope these pages act as a forum for debate, or the club provides a forum for people interested in the local history, or the town has scheduled a public forum to discuss the proposal. Proposal means the idea. Next word is sanctity. We have done the word as noun, the importance and the worth or the value. The site of tomb was a place of sanctity for ancient Egyptian. It's very much valuable. The sanctity of each individual vote, obviously the value of each vote, on the other hand, could be sacred, should be sacred. Sacred means holy. The sanctity of elderly nun shown through in her words and gesture. Gesture means the way her hands move. Tangible is an adjective that can be seen to exist in real. Her grief was tangible, clear, real. Other tangible benefits includes an increase in salary and shorter working hours, or driver will see tangible improvement on major roadways. Next word is channeled. Channeled is basically to give ways, directed. It's an adjective. The pottery is usually plain and dark in color, sometimes with channeled decoration and molded handles. Channeled, again, the lines directed. The deceased person, the any person who has died already, the deceased person's life force is thus channeled back to the living. Payment was channeled through main connections. Now what you need to do, you have to note down all the words, their POS and meaning, and make sentences of your own. Okay? Thank you.